Do you think God is more pleased with clean hands or a clean heart? In today's gospel, Jesus surprises a Pharisee by not washing his hands before eating, and he turns it into a powerful lesson. Of course, washing our hands is good. It keeps us clean and healthy. But Jesus reminds us that being clean on the outside means nothing if our heart is dirty inside. He said, "You Pharisees clean the outside of the cup, but inside you are full of greed and wickedness." You see, we can look holy, attend Mass, say our prayers, wear religious medals, but if our hearts are full of jealousy, pride, or resentment, then we are just like those Pharisees. What matters most to God is not what others see. It is what is inside. A clean heart shows in how we treat others, in our patience, kindness, and forgiveness. Remember this: beauty is not about having the fairest skin or the prettiest face. It is about having the purest heart. So don't take mirrors too seriously, because your true reflection is found in your heart. So today, let us ask Jesus to wash not just our hands, but also our hearts. Because in the end, my dear brothers and sisters, God is not impressed by clean hands, but by a clean soul.